What if your plant could warn you hours before something goes wrong? Even if traditional alarms don't go off, ADE detects anomalies and predicts potential issues before they escalate. In this video, we'll walk through the complete ADE workflow inside OmniConnect. We'll configure a new anomaly group, let ADE build models automatically, run them on the live system, and review results. As a reminder, ADE follows a complete flow, starting with configuration, then automated model building, real-time execution, and finally results with anomaly alerts. In this demonstration, we'll be monitoring a critical pump asset that previously showed instability and applying ADE to prevent any future problems. Configuration defines the tag selection, the leader tag with its threshold, and the supporting model sensitivity controls. I'll open OmniConnect, select the pump from pre-configured assets, and configure the anomaly detection feature. The site is anomaly_subsite. The area is raw mill, and pump 01 is the troublesome asset. OmniConnect automatically displays all available real-time tags. From the navigation panel, I open Anomaly Detection, select Configuration, and create a new self-trained group using the wizard. Self-trained models automatically learn from incoming data. I'll name the group RM01_pump_group. Next, I select the raw mill area and asset RM01_pump_01. For this use case, I'll use real-time sensor tags, though ADE can also use manual or calculated tags. To start off, we'll configure all available tags in ADE. One tag must be marked as the leader tag, indicating when the asset is running above the minimum normal threshold. Minimum stability period and relaxation factor are optional settings to fine-tune the model. A 60-minute stability period ensures learning only from clean, stable data. A relaxation factor of 1 makes the model highly responsive to meaningful fluctuations. For this use case, we'll stick with the defaults. Next, we move to the Dependence Approach tab, which offers several configurable options. By default, the top row and first column include all tags. The top row is called Modeled Tags, meaning a model is created for each tag unless the user turns it off. Each model tag automatically includes all other tags as contributors. So in this case, if we leave everything active, we get 6 models, each with 5 contributing tags. With dependencies left as is, the configuration setup is complete. I can now see the anomaly group in the configuration environment, but it's not running yet, indicated by the pause icon. Before turning it on, let's review what happens when the model starts. Model building is fully automatic. ADE uses stable data flowing into OmniConnect to create models. It applies AI and ML to determine correlation strength between contributing and model tags. ADE also tracks model performance indicators. I'll now start the 6 models, all left active in the prior dependency setup. Once the anomaly group is on, the system accumulates stable operating data to build the AI/ML models. Depending on data stability and asset operation, the time needed to gather enough data varies. For example, if the asset runs steadily with 1-minute data intervals, about 8 hours are needed before the model starts tracking anomalies. Once trained, the models move into execution. ADE continuously evaluates each new data point, generates predicted values, and compares them to actual readings to detect anomalies. During execution, OmniConnect notified me of an anomaly in the model winding temperature 05. Notifications ensure teams receive meaningful events quickly. Now, let's review model results. In the Results section, RM01_pump AD_group model appears under Self-Trained. When you open the screen, it shows a table of model outputs for each timestamp, indicating whether an anomaly occurred. These details help fine-tune configurations. ADE also provides the ability to export the data and visualize results in the analysis feature. Using these tools will be covered in the next video. For this demo, based on the email notification, I filtered results for winding temperature 05 with anomaly status True. The date and time of the detected anomaly are shown. Although the plant control system didn't raise an alarm, as readings didn't breach thresholds, ADE flagged the sensor as anomalous, prompting maintenance and helping prevent a breakdown. This demo showed how OmniConnect's no-code ADE delivered an early warning for an anomalous sensor, an issue the traditional control system couldn't detect. ADE, turning real-time data into actionable insights, well before anomalies become problems. For more details, visit our website or email us at info@octopusdtl.com.